Hi, let's say I just finished watching a movie, Tree of Life, and I want to take some notes on it for my review on Letterboxd. So, I have a note taking app which opens up today's note for today, like May 6th. If I run it again, it opens up the same thing. But if I give it the M argument, it asks for a movie, and I can choose the relevant Tree of Life movie from a list. It talks to the moviedatabase.org's API to find it, and then it pulls more data from the moviedatabase.org website, like the title, and it fills in this template in my note-taking app, which makes the review easier. Go to the actors. He's good in this one. Oops, maybe. God. And then just to show you, I made this note. This is like my note-taking thing. I made this one, and this is my movie. This was my. This is where it kind of writes a template, and this is where it asks the API for stuff, the TMDB API. And this little note template also provides a link to my website, which is here, where you can find out more stuff about the actors. Eventually, these notes go on Letterboxd as reviews.